Hey there, today we're checking out the Saysurey Unicorn Bike Helmet designed for kids over 8 years old that offers excellent protection during bike rides and outdoor fun. This adjustable helmet comes with colorful DIY stickers so your child can personalize their gear with a fun unicorn theme. Along with the helmet, the set includes knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards to keep every part of your child's body safe while skating, scootering, or skateboarding. The protective gear is lightweight and comfortable, allowing kids to move freely without feeling restricted. Its durable construction ensures it can handle bumps and falls while providing reliable safety. Perfect for active kids who love outdoor adventures, this set encourages confidence and fun. Keep your child protected in style with this all-in-one safety gear set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.